Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a task to your Gantt chart in your Lucidchart diagrams. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the Gantt chart inside your Lucidchart diagram. If you don't know how to do that and add a Gantt chart, this is how you can do it. Navigate to your diagram, select template gallery in the top left and select the simple Gantt chart. Click into it and after that position it on your diagram, just like that, for example. So guys, after that what you want to do is, let me just zoom in a bit. You may customize the Gantt chart, and these tasks are represented by cards usually, like in Gantt chart views. So what you want to do is move the given default and customizable card, for example, here on your timeline in the Gantt chart, and here to the right, guys, you may, for example, enter the task's name, like task 01, for example, describe it, and assign someone from your team. Next, you may set a status, done, for example, to do, in progress, and so on and so forth. And what you want to do next, guys, is also select the start and an end date here. And that's basically it. Now you can move these tasks, of course, from one team to another if your project features several teams, or if you like, you can, for example, create a new task by moving that option, that card here to the right to your Gantt chart or timeline here on that timeline, and assign again an assignee here, for example, by clicking into that row here. You may add more rows also by clicking into these plus buttons, and repeat the process. Click into the card and customize the task details. Assign someone, set a status, start date, end date. So let me set a start date like, I don't know, what is today? February 17th, so tomorrow, 18th. And the end date will be 1 week later. And that's basically it. You may clear also the duration, or move it here on your timeline, and start and end date will be assigned accordingly. Of course, you can connect these tasks as well with each other by using these connectors. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.